In News for Your Health tonight, alarming new details about Alzheimer's in Washington. The disease is now the third leading cause of death in our state, and experts only expect the number of Alzheimer's patients and deaths to keep growing. So our Drew Reeves working for you with why we're seeing such high numbers and the warning signs to look out for. Drew.
There are an estimated 110,000 people living with Alzheimer's here in Washington, and new data shows us that not enough people are getting the right checkups that could detect this disease early on. As the number of Alzheimer's patients continues to grow in Washington, the cost of taking care of patients will only grow as well.
It's crazy, you know, that you have a disease that's just taking off like wildfire, and we need to find a cure for it.
Alzheimer's is the #3 cause of death in Washington state and is expected to cost more than $517 million in 2019. The cost around the country has climbed for more than 3 years.
This care is skyrocketing, and you know, it's going to be in the trillions of dollars, and that's frightening to think about when you're trying to plan for the future.
So it's important that as we get older, we're getting tested for the disease. According to the Alzheimer's Association, only 16% of people get regular cognitive testing with their checkups.
Early detection is primary, and when you're just starting to see symptoms, to get to your doctor, to get to a neurologist, to get the proper diagnosis.
And you can look for some of the common warning signs. Those include losing things and being unable to retrace your steps. You may have trouble with daily tasks. Those with Alzheimer's may also become prone to giving money away to phone scammers and telemarketers. And look for big shifts in mood. If you notice these symptoms, get yourself or a loved one to a doctor right away. And remember, the disease doesn't only affect the elderly.
Not necessarily everybody who develops this is elderly. There's people who are 29 years old that have been diagnosed with Alzheimer's or some dementia.
And if you do want to see more of those warning signs of Alzheimer's, you can head to our website, KXLY.com. In studio, Drew Reeves, KXLY 4 News.